Okay, welcome back. So now let's test if our program is working properly or not. So let's start our main server, and then I'm going to the Windows machine and starting. Now it says that handling connection, which means that the connection has been established properly. Now it says what options do we have. So it gives us an option of only one, which is run command on the victim machine. So if I press 1, you will see that it says running the command on the victim, and if I go to the victim machine, you can see that it selected this line, so it printed out this line as well. And similarly, if I give a wrong input, for example 4, you will see that it says invalid input, and it says the same on this side as well. So if we want to exit, we can press 99 and this will exit the program, and similarly it will exit on this machine as well. So now our program is working. So our next step would be to create this method which is running or executing system commands on our victim. So let's go to the core folder again and create a new file. Now we will call this file as running command. So I will call this command.py, and then here we will define a method, and this method will help us in running commands. Let's call this method define run command, and this will take my socket object as well. And let's just print it so we can know that it's running properly. Running command. Sorry for my typing mistakes. I make a lot of mistakes. Running commands. Okay, here what we can do is we can simply send out the command to the victim machine and get back the result. So first we have to know which commands are we working with. So let's go to the victim machine as well and repeat the same process here. So I'm going to create a file called command.py, and then I'm going to create a function called execute command or run command, whichever you like, and it is going to take the same mySocket object. Should be socket, and then I can say print executing commands, and then we can go to handle connection and import this function here. So I can say from core.command import execute command, and then I can call this function here execute command, and then give the mySocket object here, and then I can do the same process on my server side as well. So go to handle connection, import this, so from core.command import run command, and now we can, if user input is equal to 1, we can call this method which is run command and provide mySocket object. So in next lecture we will develop this program.